G'day, Daniel Watson here from Vertech IT Services. This is Cybersecurity Tip number 74. Navigating the word-led jungle. What is a CISO? CISO, Chief Information Security Officer. Often if you're an organisation who's growing up, you need to start applying greater controls regarding your information security, i.e. you have intellectual property that you need to protect and or you have client confidential information that you need to make sure stays secure, right? So you're not breaching people's trusts. Then there's usually a gap between like the senior management and the IT people who are doing the physical securing work, right? Creating an overall framework for your security is more than just dealing with the technical information that needs to happen or the controls, right? Installing antivirus, securing firewalls and that kind of stuff. There is also the policy work that needs to go into creating this and making sure that it is an integrated solution that looks at multiple perspectives within your organization. Now, generally, most small and mid-sized businesses, they can't afford to have somebody permanently in their role, or even let alone a full-time IT manager. That's where somebody like myself or a consultant comes in and they act as your virtual Chief Information Security Officer, and they work with your senior management and your IT people to create a strategic structure for your information security and making sure that the policies and guidelines within the organization are developed and then help you operationalize them. All right, so ongoing kind of support is required there. A lot of work at the top end, and it's an iterative process to get your systems and policies all laid out in a proper framework. Anyway, hope that's helpful. Catch you next time.